and today we'll be talking about coordinates. Coordinates are those which consists of one fabric, but it can be a two-piece garment or even a one-piece garment. For today's video, I have used a black colored jacket and trouser with white colored checks on it. So I have tried to create 4 looks out of it, and yeah, another thing which I have taken in consideration to keep it monochrome, as monochrome was seen a lot on the streets wearing celebrities, even on the runway shows it was seen a lot. So these 4 looks are going to give a lot of knowledge to you. So let's see how it goes. I have tried to keep it simple, classy, stylish and wearable as well. So let's go. Out of one coordinate, and the trends which I used in these looks were the 2 prints in one attire, one look. The second was the skirt and the jacket on it. It's actually in trends. You can go and use it in your daily life. The third was the obvious one, the monochrome. And which one did you like the most? Please comment below in the section and do let me know. If you really like the video, please subscribe to my channel and bell button. Please go and like, do share to your loved ones. Till then, take care, be stylish, and bye bye.